Hello, this is Jacqueline Wilmon from Alabama. I'm a writer of Gothic fiction and I also love gardening. I don't know if you noticed there was a molting chicken in the video a few seconds ago. She looks pretty rough right now. Kind of the worst time to be losing your feathers, but she's healthy, she's okay. She's just something that chickens do. They lose their feathers, and usually she's a beautiful gray, blue color, but it's the way nature does things. This is also my compost heap, and this morning I decided to clear out one of the bins. Look at this lovely, lovely black gold. This is a mixture of, I use actual pine wood shavings in my compost, or my chicken coop, and I take the manure from the chicken coop and I add that to the compost. I also use a lot of wood cuttings from when we do our pasture. We have pretty good amount of grass, as you can see. We also have a lot of trees around here. We a lot of hardwoods, a lot of different things like poplar trees. We collect those, everything that kind of collects on in the pathways. We have a lot of walkways through the woods, so it makes it easy to collect pine straw for walkways in the garden, and then I use the areas that have more hardwood for the compost. It helps to speed things along in composting. Now, this is something, wood shavings usually take a little bit longer to compost. I don't know if you can see some of that. There's chicken manure, wood shavings. I haven't flipped this yet, but I also use things like the beans from the garden, green beans. I use kitchen scraps, and I also have 3 different bins. So what I do is, as one hits a certain height, this one is done. I'm not going to put any more in there. That's about maybe 2.5 feet high. I'm not going to put anything else in there. I'm going to empty out this one here, which a lot of the contents are over here, and I will start filling this one while this bin and this bin finish composting. That means in the spring I will have plenty of beautiful black gold again to use in the garden. And this is how I do a lot of my no-till gardening. I believe that just putting this on top, sometimes I take cardboard and I will line the areas that I would like to have a bed for vegetables or flowers, and I will top that bed with about 6 inches of this lovely stuff. I've also been known to use cow manure straight from the ranchers in the area. We have a lot of cattle ranchers. The cow manure, though, is composted. Never put fresh manure on your garden. You will burn things. So I thought I'd let you know my beautiful treasure that I'm digging this morning. Oh yeah, don't forget to like if you want to see more content. I'm also going to go into more details about how to compost and what to use in your compost bins and where you can use them. I appreciate you watching, and don't forget to like this video, and also, like I said, subscribe if you would like to see more. Thanks.